gave me because it gave me who I am.
Yeah. All right, so what's up, bro?
We go out more everywhere we go.
On the show.
The city had my back from day one, and I'm so happy to be a part of a community
that's what I'm doing.
And wants to see me.
Oh, look at all this! Look at all this mess. It ain't mess. I'm just saying that just to say that, and the hanger right there, and the wrestling pictures all over. How can you afford this crap? Money. What he said? Hey, elevator for the first time in your life. Super Luigi Brothers. Yeah. Probably Wayne, huh? Or Wayne. Oh, this look alright. It's backwards. You see that backwards? It's all backwards, huh? Oh well, the hell with backwards, huh? Where them bullet bills come from? Well, I think I'm gonna get this program on my system.
Wait, what?
Well, I think I'm gonna get this program on my system. Well, why it looks so backwards? Well, never mind. Why the hell it looks so backwards? Never mind.
Wait, it looks backwards?
Yeah, it looks backwards. Look at the flow.
Show the flow.
No, I ain't talking about the flow down here. I'm talking about the flow.
I'm looking at it.
Well, look at the original Mario and you'll see. Look at the original Mario and you'll see. Well, hey, even get that extra. Stupid player, huh, bro?
Yeah, we can't do that stuff.
Oh, he's full of crap, whoever that is. Look, see, it's backwards. That's crazy, bro. Do you see what I see? It's ridiculous. I'm telling you, it's ridiculous. Do you agree with me on that? That's ridiculous, I'm saying.
Sorry.
Well, it's ridiculous to me, but I still play it. Look at the Garrett. All right, I have saved something else. All right. Let me stop the tape.